Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete frictionless introduction to Raindrop.io, the definitive, ultra-polished bookmark manager designed to rescue your browser from infinite open tabs. If you are a professional, researcher, or digital creator drowning in a chaotic swamp of scattered URLs and half-remembered links, Raindrop serves as an elegant external brain that effortlessly unifies your digital world under one highly scannable visual command center. The foundational first step of your setup is downloading the official Raindrop browser extension for your desktop computer, alongside installing the companion app on your mobile smartphone. Once configured, saving any asset online requires an absolute single click of the toolbar cloud icon. Raindrop completely redefines traditional file storage by capturing far more than standard internet links. It acts as a universal media bin, meaning you can drag and drop raw images, digital articles, YouTube videos, standalone books, and complex PDF documents directly into the interface. To prevent your library from turning into a massive, disorganized junk drawer, Raindrop structures your workflows through two powerful, intuitive layers of organization. The macro layer relies on collections, which function as smart thematic folders that you can endlessly nest inside one another to segregate heavy work projects, personal reading archives, or visual inspiration boards. Inside those folders, you deploy the micro layer of tags, allowing you to append flexible cross-reference labels like to read or urgent across entirely separate collections for rapid sorting. The absolute crown jewel of the beginner experience is configuring your layout viewing modes, as Raindrop lets you toggle instantly between a dense headline index, a clean details list, or a gorgeous visual masonry grid that mimics Pinterest for creative assets. Additionally, if you are actively parsing heavy text, you can highlight key sentences directly on any web page and save them permanently across all devices. By mastering these quick capture mechanics and folder hierarchies, you completely eliminate reference hunting, turning your browser into a perfectly synchronized engine of endless productivity. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.